Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are embarking on a journey towards fulfilling retirement dreams and ensuring that our golden years are filled with joy and contentment. It's essential to secure our financial future to make retirement a fulfilling and happy phase of life. As we dive into the importance of financial preparation for retirement, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to receive valuable insights like this. Now, let's explore why securing your retirement finances is crucial to making your retirement years truly enjoyable. Reason number 1. Empowering your retirement dreams. Retirement is the time to live out your dreams and pursue the passions you've held close to your heart. By taking control of your financial future, you empower yourself to turn these dreams into reality. Having sufficient funds allows you to explore new hobbies, travel to your dream destinations, and focus on what brings you joy during your retirement years. Reason number 2. Freedom and peace of mind. Financial security brings you freedom and peace of mind. Knowing that your financial needs are taken care of allows you to let go of worries and anxieties, enabling you to fully enjoy your well-deserved retirement. With a solid financial plan in place, you can confidently face the future, knowing that you have the means to lead a comfortable and stress-free retirement. Reason number 3. Maintaining independence and dignity. Independence and dignity are vital aspects of a fulfilling retirement. Adequate financial planning ensures that you maintain your independence, even during your retirement years. Having enough money to cover your expenses and healthcare needs empowers you to maintain control over your life and make choices that align with your values and aspirations. Reason number 4. Leaving a legacy. Planning for your retirement finances isn't just about your own future. It's also an opportunity to create a lasting legacy for your loved ones. By securing your financial future, you can leave behind a meaningful impact on your family and support their dreams and aspirations for generations to come. Now, we understand that some of you may be concerned about insufficient retirement savings or investments. But fear not, there's a fantastic option that could open up a world of opportunities: affiliate marketing and building your own online business. Affiliate marketing allows you to partner with companies and promote products or services you genuinely believe in. By sharing your passion and knowledge in a niche you love, you can create a thriving online business right from the comfort of your home. The best part is, you can work around your retirement schedule, allowing you to spend quality time with family, enjoy your hobbies, and travel to your dream destinations. As your online business grows, you'll start earning passive income, money that keeps coming in even when you're not actively working. This additional income stream can supplement your retirement funds and help you afford medical expenses, travel adventures, and precious moments spent with your loved ones. Building an online business is an incredible way to secure your financial future, giving you the peace of mind and freedom to embrace retirement with confidence. So, whether you choose traditional retirement planning, explore the world of affiliate marketing, or a combination of both, remember that a fulfilling retirement starts with wise financial decisions. By taking charge of your retirement dreams today, you pave the way for a happy and prosperous tomorrow. If you're excited about the idea of starting your online business or have already ventured into affiliate marketing, we'd love to hear your stories and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with others who might benefit from this information, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content on building a successful retirement and beyond. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep believing, and embrace the journey to a fulfilling and financially secure retirement.